Welcome to Prime Testimony Channel. We are continuing our discussion on Qavah. I think the first time that we met, we discussed the first 3 stages. We said the first stage is the envisioning the church, and the second stage,
celebrating who we are
and what we have. And then they said the third stage is
describing our community.
Today we are going to look at the other remaining, stages. And we are continuing from stage number 4.
Stage number 4.
Yes.
And that is prioritizing and analyzing.
Okay. So Qavah stage number 4 is prioritizing and analyzing. Okay. All right. Continue.
So we described our community.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we know the challenges in the community.
Okay.
We know the needs of the community.
Yeah.
Okay. And we may have a tall list.
All right.
But we may need to prioritize.
Okay.
So that's when the prioritization comes in.
Okay.
And in prioritization, we can do voting.
Okay.
Or any kind of a method that we want to use to prioritize.
All right. Okay.
And when we prioritize and come up with the issues that are bothering us, then we can use a tool we normally call the problem tree in analyzing.
Okay.
And in the problem tree, for example, let's use a problem like shortage of water. Okay? In our community, there is shortage of water. So in the problem tree, then we ask ourselves, so if there is shortage of water,
Yeah.
what is going to happen? What are the effects?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
What are the effects of the shortage of water?
Yes.
Okay? What will happen? Then, for example, maybe there's shortage of water, people will not be able to have water to drink.
Okay.
If people do not have water to drink, what happens? It affects their health.
Yeah.
And so on. Okay? Or people do not have water. So many things can happen.
Okay.
We can also look at the causes.
Okay.
But why is there shortage of water?
So we continue asking why.
But why?
Why?
But why?
But why?
Until you get to a point where you feel you can address the issue.
So what is that in doing this, you have to find the root cause to deal with, not the symptoms.
That is the root cause. We want to know the why,
Okay.
not the symptom.
All right. I'm sure one of the reasons why sometimes we are not able to solve certain problems is that we just look at the symptom and try to prescribe something to deal with the symptom instead of looking at the root cause. Right.
So the 5th stage, we are now moving to the 5th stage.
Sorry, the 15. Yes.
Yeah. So after prioritizing and analyzing and knowing the root cause and looking at it, then you might want to go to the next stage.
Yes.
Dreaming dreams.
Dreaming dreams,
And taking
action. Dreaming dreams.
Dreaming dreams
And taking
action.
Wait, before you continue, it means that it's not a matter of just dreaming and living it out there.
No.
You dream and you make sure that you take action to deal with whatever you dreamt about, you want to achieve it.
Right.
I'm enjoying it. Preach on, brother.
Right.
Preach on, brother.
So you have your needs, you
Yeah.
have what is bothering you, you have the root cause and everything. Then you move on to dream dreams and take action. So that's planning.
Planning.
So if you know the problem or know the root cause of the water shortage, then you plan to take action on the root cause. Okay?
All right.
So when you take action on the root cause, there will be a rippling effect which will actually solve the problem of the water shortage.
All right. Which means that even serving God, knowledge is very important.
Yes, knowledge is key.
You have to apply all these things. Oh, I see. We are going to say, I'm so why you book them. They are trying to say that even serving God has become book. Anyway, it's very important. Knowledge is very good. That's why the Bible says that we must even study to show ourselves approved. We are now done with the 5th stage. Is there a 6th stage?
Then the final stage, measuring effectiveness.
Okay.
It's not really a stage of action, but it's a stage where you measure the effectiveness.
Okay.
That the actions that you took, did it work? Okay? And even the measuring effectiveness is not limited to only one stage.
Okay.
We could measure the effectiveness of all the stages.
Okay. All right.
So we could measure the effectiveness of envisioning the church, measure the effectiveness of celebrating who we are, measure the effectiveness of describing the community, and measure the effectiveness of analyzing and prioritizing. All of that.
All right.
So we measure, it's like monitoring and evaluation to see if the stages are working, they are achieving their results.
Okay. All right. And I think But do you think this concept, if various churches apply, do you think it will be very helpful? When churches apply this Qavah concept, do you think it will be beneficial in any way? Because there's something being rolled out by Compassion International. But do you think it's something that
even outside Compassion, churches can use this?
All right.
Churches can use this to relate to the community.
Okay.
Churches can use this in their ministry. And it works.
So that's Qavah for you, and you say the meaning of Qavah is binding together.
It's a way of life.
A way of life. Qavah means binding together. It's a way of life. You are listening to Prime Testimony Channel. They've told us about all the various stages, and we've seen its importance. Thank you very much, Brother Justice. You are listening to Prime Testimony Channel. I will encourage you to watch our videos. God bless you.